ACY Advisory found that many small to medium enterprises weren't engaging professional services firms because they found them to be too expensive, too confusing, and too time-consuming as well, so they would just get in the way of doing business. ACY Advisory is a boutique advisory firm. Many different levels of professional services, from accounting, tax, legal, risk, compliance, governance, company secretarial. We do the full gamut. We've got really experienced practitioners who have been working in the industry, many industries, but especially financial services. Regulation in Australia is always getting tighter. It's typically following the UK market as the leader, and so recent legislation is moving towards a seller beware model rather than a buyer beware model. ACY Advisory keeps a constant touch on the regulatory landscape. So we're always out there talking to people, we're giving advice, we know what changes are coming, we talk to regulators, and so when the change comes, we've already advised and prepared our clients. ACY Advisory's team is really passionate about doing things differently, really on a mission to connect companies with other companies, an ecosystem. We want Australian companies to really succeed. The relationship is our #1 priority. Some other firms are more focused on numbers, we're focusing on human relationships. We want to service your business needs. So it's not about us just giving you advice, it's about us trying to help you grow, and that piece of advice is just a part of that story. ACY's main focus is financial services. We have clients from fintechs to medium-sized and even unicorns. So we know that space really well. Financial services is very complicated, that's where we feel like we can add the most value. However, we do service every industry because especially with small to medium enterprises, they have very similar needs. We are a technology-driven professional services firm, so the way that we deliver it is not old-fashioned. We're happy to use Zoom, Teams, Slack, WhatsApp, etc. because we want to be as responsive as possible. You, as a client, don't have to think about and worry about how does that impact your business, because we would have a constant dialogue with you to tell you exactly how to prepare. The principle of all regulation is trying to help the consumer. So if we do it right, it'll actually add value to the business rather than tick a box.